In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to break a large PDF into smaller pieces or separate a section to share with someone, this will walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. In the upper left corner, click the main menu and choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF you want to split, select it, and click Open again. Acrobat will load the document so you can work with it. Now look to the left-hand side of the Acrobat window and find Organize Pages. This tool is designed for rearranging, deleting, extracting, and yes, splitting pages. When you open Organize Pages, you'll see all the pages in your file displayed as thumbnails. This overview is helpful because you can quickly confirm you're working on the right document and get a sense of its length and structure before splitting. With your pages visible, look to the left-hand side controls and choose Split. Acrobat will present options so you can decide how the file should be divided. You can split by number of pages, which creates new files with a set count of pages per file, by file size, which limits each output file to an approximate maximum size, or by top-level bookmarks, which is perfect if your PDF uses bookmarks for major sections or chapters. Pick the method that matches your goal. For example, if you need each chapter as its own PDF, and your document is bookmarked by chapter, choose top-level bookmark. If you simply need smaller chunks, number of pages or file size may be better. After you've made your selection and set any needed values, click Split. Acrobat will process the document and create the new files for you. You'll see a confirmation when it's done, and your split PDFs will be ready to use. The original file remains unchanged, which is handy if you need to run the split again with different settings. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you note where Acrobat is saving the output files so you can find them easily, and consider the naming pattern Acrobat applies so your new files stay organized. If a document is protected or restricted, Acrobat may require permission to proceed. Otherwise, that's all there is to it. You've successfully split your PDF in Adobe Acrobat efficiently and accurately using the built-in tools designed for the job.